Well, it's Sunday, -6, -8, whatever. We're going out to take care of some firewood. And immediately after that, we're going to go out and groom some trail in an area. Well, it's an area we normally go through, but we're going to try to straighten the trail out really nice. Shorten it, in other words. So come along with us. Well, we are at what we call the Bolding Trail, or the Manly Trail. We went up a little ways there, but didn't complete it. We're about 3 miles from the cabin. And, of course, we got distracted by dead standing. And so we harvested that. And then we'll be grooming trail back in that direction here in just a little bit.
There is ice because this is pretty much a slough, I guess, and snow machine's not made for this, so we're trying to haul back some wood, and the load's not even all that heavy. You're going down on ice again.
I'm gonna come around over there.
Yeah, okay. This is fun. Well, we wanted an adventure. We got one. You see that here we are, into the second week of November, and all we have is maybe a couple inches of powder, not even good snow. Ice underneath, so we're gonna have to come around where the careful. Not so hard to pull that when it's on ice, but that's so where she don't want to go.
Let's go home now.
You're going to have to turn it off.
Well, after a gorgeous day yesterday, we wake up this morning on Monday, November the 11th, Veterans Day, to clouds and 10 degrees below zero. And I've been outside working, and the cold, for some reason, is getting to me. We have to kind of acclimate to the colder temperatures as they come along. And of course, we have a very slight chance of snow. Well, I have the Honda 2200 going, and there's going to be no solar today. And I have DeWalt batteries, quite a few of them that are charging right now. So we are in the process of installing a small wood-burning stove in the back. But we also have to go pick up some firewood that we cut and left. And I will need this thing. So with any luck, I will get it to start and run, though that's debatable. As I said, no way. So I've got to put the battery charger on the four-wheeler to get it going. Well, when one machine doesn't work, we will try the other. Well, I'm out on our neighbor's property, a little bit of a distance from ours. He asked if we wanted all of the trees that are down for firewood, and of course we jumped at the chance. And on this Monday in November, this is the condition of the river at this particular moment in time as it continues to freeze. Well, good morning. It's Thursday, and we have sunshine. Beautiful day in store for us today. Unfortunately, the weatherman says this is not going to last. So we've got clouds coming in, but no chance of any measurable snowfall so far. I'm getting everything ready to head out to our wood cutting spot. We've already warmed up the Polaris there, so I've got to get another sled in, and hopefully today is going to be spent doing nothing but firewood. We would love to have a couple of weeks to just kick back, and people keep asking, why do you wait till it's so cold to do firewood? Because it's easier to gather firewood in the wintertime than it is in the summertime. Travel-wise, because we can't get into our meadow in the summer. It's nothing but water. So now it's all frozen over. It's one huge, great big lake that is frozen solid and makes for easy travel.
Beautiful morning on the 14th of November. We came out to get firewood that we'd cut and stacked. So it's a beautiful day. And while I was going and getting that with our poke sled, Jed came into the woods just to check things out, and there's a buttload of beaver chew birch that's down. All of that is beaver chew. We thank them for it because that gives us firewood. They take those trees down and they chew on that bark. And it's all little beaver teethies. Or as my mom used to say, beaver toothums. So Jed took this one and cut it up. And he's out looking at a spruce that was down, so let's see if that's any good to cut. Oh. And here comes my handy dandy guard dog. Right, Pup Pup? Say hi. What you doing? Everywhere I go, he goes, and he stays close by. Awesome guard.
Thanks everybody for watching. I want to remind those who have asked that no, I'm not growing a full beard this winter. I'm going to take the whiskers off. I can't do it. So if you would, subscribe to the channel, like this video, share the video if you would, and above all, leave us a comment. Make sure you join us next week when the adventures really begin. So hit that notification bell so you don't miss a single episode. Again, catch you next time.